Presenting the Mi 11X 5G. The phone has display of AMOLED display and 16.9 cm, 6.67 inch. 2.76mm ultra-tiny punch hole in 120Hz high refresh rate FHD+, 1080 by 2400. The phone also has 360Hz touch sampling. It has 8MP ultra-wide and 5MP super macro and 48MP triple rear camera. It has 20MP front camera. It has HDR10+ support. It comes with 4520 mAh large battery. It supports Type-C connectivity. It is powered by up to 3.2 GHz clock speed, 7 nanometers process and liquid-cooled technology. Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 and Kare 585 octa-core. It also features rear camera, front camera, and camera. The delivery box contains handset and power adapter, USB cable and SIM eject tool. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.